A process is an independent programming execution that has its own memory, its code, data, and the system resources. So for example, the perfect example would be a browser. Let's say we have a browser. Browser in itself is a process. So in a browser, what we have, right? So we are downloading a file, we are sending HTTP requests, we are loading JS files, and so on. So all of these are separate unit of work, downloading a file, and we can do them in parallel, right? So we can download the file at the same time we can send the HTTP request and load the JS files. So all these units of works, they are called threads, and all these works are combined, so one process can have several threads, right? In our case, let's say that we have mentioned here only 3 threads for browser, but in reality, it has much more. So let's take another example. Let's take example of Java. Let's say that we have a Java file, and in the Java file, what we do is we have a main thread, and for 2 other methods, for the saving a user data and for uploading that, we are also creating a separate threads. So what is the process in this case? Well, in this case, the JVM itself is a process. If you look at whatever operating system you use, if you look at the processes, you will see that whenever you run a Java application, JVM is created, JVM process PID, which means that the process ID is created.